Nagalaw ba kayo?
Overload to.
Baka tayo ng northwest.
Hindi, binibait nila yung choke.
Binibit nila yung choke. Bike tayo ng northwest. Bumalik tayo.
Makinig kayo sa call, please.
Bumalik tayo. Ito sa ping. Bait natin sila na pumasok dito. Okay. Anong balita sa mga nasa dulo? Anong balita? Bumabalik ba sila? Okay. I'm trying to look now. I'm trying to look now. I'm trying to look. Bait pa din tayo. Southwest. Southwest pa din. Southwest pa din. Sige, bukol ka lang, Philly, kung may heal dun ka. Okay.
Kailangan, una mag-spawn dito yung mobs, malulugi tayo.
Oh, sige.
Kahit natin.
Okay, I'm looking now. I'm looking southeast now. I'm looking southwest now. I'm looking southeast now. Looking southeast in 3, 2, 1 dito. Left down. Okay. Scatter kayo. Scatter. They have engaged. Heals on the front. Heals on the front. They have engaged. Stabilize lang sa party. 15 seconds.
Sige,
Next engage.
nalalaw
15
sila.
seconds.
Pwede tayo.
Pasok na kayo. Pasok kayo. Alis kayo dyan sa choke. 10 seconds. Next engage. Heal sa front. 5 seconds. Next engage. 5 seconds. Okay.
Binibait
Popping
ulit,
boost now. Coming in. 3, 2, 1. Hip. Big lamp. Kill these guys. Nice one. Stabilize. Okay, ball them. Putang ina nyo. Ginawa nyo. Heal mo na kay multi. Balita.
Out of
mana. Okay. Finish na natin sila. 3,
Running na sila.
2, 1. Clamp here. Drop anything here.
Oh, nyo, di ko
Okay. I have clip. They're in combat. Kahit tong enfeeble.
Di makapasok.
Di makapasok yan. Patayin nyo lang. Drop anything here. Yung, kung may matitira dyan, ilot nyo. Nice one.
Loot it. Nice one. Ganon.
Ayan, putang ina nyo. Wala pa akong gana mag-call. Jakol na lang ako yan. Putang ina. Trade